A global leader in the custom design and manufacture of specialist munitions and pyrotechnic solutions, Primetake's world-class in-house product research and development team continues to differentiate the company from its competitors. Respected for the accuracy, reliability, and precision of its bespoke products, Primetake remains unmatched in the production of its specialist munition and pyrotechnic solutions, covering public order, smoke and distraction, EOD, bird scaring, ceremonial saluting, counter-drone, gas flaring, signaling, and ammunition for breaching, tactical, and sniper applications. At Primetake, we listen carefully, plan meticulously, and execute flawlessly, building trust and delivering solutions that consistently exceed expectations. Our extensive industry and technical expertise ensure that our munitions and pyrotechnics remain at the forefront of industry advancements. Since 1991, we have grown as a trusted British manufacturing partner, and we pride ourselves on delivering agile, intelligently designed solutions from concept to completion. By adhering to strict ethical, quality, and safety guidelines, we ensure that all our actions are transparent and accountable. Through comprehensive checks and rigorous quality assurance processes at every stage, we guarantee that our products are safe, durable, and reliable, meeting the highest international standards. Quite simply, our professional approach to manufacturing, rigorous testing, and comprehensive attention to detail are at the heart of everything we do. By working collaboratively with our UK and international partners, Primetake is dedicated to protecting communities around the globe, whilst acting in partnership as custodians of our local community's military heritage. As authentic problem solvers and future ambassadors for sustainable and positive industry change, Primetake remains committed to supporting complex client requirements. Primetake, a market leader in the design, development and manufacture of specialist munitions and pyrotechnics.